All right, we got a beautiful Wildwood right here with 3 slides, 2 awnings, outdoor sound system, outdoor TV mount, solid steps. But look at this, 2 air conditioners, super cold in here. Look at this, island kitchen, 2 rear recliners, fireplace, brand new smart TV. Look at this. Sofa sleeper, another dinette that turns into one huge bed. Everything is, oh my God, everything is so nice in this trailer. Look at this. Nice big bathroom. Ooh, but wait. Oh, yes. Look at this, washer and dryer connections, closet. Cold AC.